How to fix TikTok verification code not receiving problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix TikTok verification code not receiving problem. So for this you have to go on your settings, click on setting, and now you have to go for install apps. Now click on install apps and you have to search for messaging. Click on messaging and you can see the add permission button here, so you have to click on add permission. Now you have to allow all the permission, especially the SMS permission. Now go back and again you have to search for TikTok, so click on TikTok and you can see there add permission. Click on add permission and allow all the permission. Now go back and restart your phone and open the TikTok and you will receive the verification code. Thanks for watching.